Hello everyone, welcome to our children and youth game. Our lovely members, Levin John, Vedat, Gabriel and IRF will be explaining the fundamentals of our game called Treasure Island. Our game is easy for youths age 8 to 10 to understand and start playing themselves. For this game, we will need 4 participants and 4 blocks, which represents as treasure. The player will make a square and place themselves in the corner of the square. Once the player's placement is set, 4 blocks are placed in the middle of the square with each block facing each player. Everyone has their own block and cannot touch anyone else's block due to COVID-19 safety. A player or referee starts to count down from 3, and when the countdown is 1, each player will run to pick their own block and run back as fast as possible to their own corner to score a point. The first person to pick up the block owns the treasure, but the other players can tag the treasure owner by tagging them with their own block. If a player tags the treasure owner before the person can safely make it back in the corner, the person who tagged the treasure owner owns a point. Once a point is scored, the round is done and players reset their position. The first person to score 5 points is the winner of the Treasure Island.